Hey, hi guys, welcome to the YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your MacBook Air and MacBook Pros step by step. This will be really nice video. I'll be demonstrating you how to clean it properly so it can perform better. So let's get started. So there are two things we'll be doing. First of all, we will be cleaning it internally, so we will take out this back panel, okay, and then we'll be cleaning up all these keys. So for this we need to take out all these keys. So first let's clean it up internally. So that is actually a quite easy process to do. Let's get started. Flip it up, and then you need a toolkit. You don't need all these things, you just need 1.2 screw. It's like this. I'll be providing you link of this product in description. It's quite a useful tool. You can utilize it for other things also, like if you are interested in watches or other mechanical things, you can fix it up. So let me just zoom in. Let's take out the nuts first. So this is nut one. Keep it in a safe place. Make sure it's in a safe place. Nut two. Nut three. Let me just pause the video here so it will be easier for you. Let me take out all the okay, so I'm taking out the nuts. Here you can see these nuts are actually smaller nuts. These ones are the smaller nuts, and here we have a bigger nut. So remember that on the top side we have bigger nuts, from where basically the screen thing is connected. So if you're able to see, the nut size is big here, and these are the smaller nuts, very small nuts, which belong to this bottom side. So I'll keep all these nuts separately. There we go, one more. And you can also have a vacuum. Vacuum actually really helps you. It cleans your laptop really nice. Let me just zoom out a little bit so it will be more easier for you, plus for me, to take out all these things. Here we go. Here we have small nuts, here we have bigger nuts. Bigger nuts are total 4. I'll just take them and place it on some white paper or some kind of box, so it will be easier for me. There we go. Small nuts. So here we have all these nuts safely. Let's get back into the business. Now all nuts are out. Now we need to take out the panel. For that you can use anything in this kind of shape, kind of material, and then you just need to, you know, grab it from here and do it like this, and then just do it like this. Grab it, go to the side thing, grab it like this. You just need to take it out, and here we go. Quite easy, yeah? This is how my MacBook looks. Okay, mostly it's cleaned already, but we'll be cleaning it up more. Okay, now just take the brush and make sure brush is clean and try cleaning it up. Yeah, this part is very sensitive, so make sure you brush it really carefully. If you're using a vacuum, make sure using it in a low speed or low power. I'll just pause here, I'll just clean it. So here we go, I have cleaned the panel from inside. This was the step number 1, cleaning up internally. See, if you want to go more deep, in that case you can take out these components also, but I'll not recommend you that. Reason is, what happens in case of Apple, they use different kind of adhesive and things are like connected with each other, so you can actually ruin few components, and that will be really problematic. So for that we need expert support. But yeah, cleaning from this area, that is also fine. That can actually speed up your system, and in longer term it's actually good. It's not that bad. Okay, this is done. Okay, this is done. Now make sure this panel is also cleaned. Okay, now I'll just do it like this, bring it back. Okay, now it's I need to screw it up. I need to do the screwing again, but I'll just flip it and clean it. The key part now, I'll just turn off the system. I'll do hard press. Now the same flipper like this, or maybe some hard paper, okay, that will also gonna work. So just fold the paper like 3 times or 4 times, and then do it something like this. Let me just zoom in for you, and take here inside the key, you just need to flip it like this. Okay, add this inside. This paper is really soft. I'll just use this. You can also use the guitar picker. Just add it, and I'll just use the different one. I don't know why whenever create videos only then these things happen. Okay, now it's out. So you need to do the same process for all the keys actually. So just take them out. Just press, just grab it from here, insert this, and then just pull it. Yeah, so do it for all the keys and clean it up from inside. You can use actually a vacuum is a better choice here to do. Okay, so yeah, let me do this for all the keys, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I cleaned all the keys. Now this key is left, only the A1. What I'll recommend you, clean this side plus clean this. You can use vacuum also in a low speed, and then to attach it, it's very simple. It's more easier than taking them out. Just keep over this box like this and press it once, and you'll hear that click sound, and now it's working. So that's how you basically attach it. Okay, now this is how you can clean your MacBook Air and MacBook Pros. Now we can screw the back panel also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. You learned how you can clean your MacBooks easily. So thank you so much. Have a great day. See ya. Bye.